Hey friends, guess what? We're going on a trip. But before we go anywhere, we need to pack. So let's grab our suitcase and make sure we have everything we need. Let's start with clothes. Pack enough outfits for each day and maybe one extra just in case. Don't forget shirts, pants or shorts, undies, socks, pajamas, a jacket if it might get cold, and shoes you can walk in. Next up, bathroom stuff. You might need a toothbrush and toothpaste, hairbrush or comb, lotion, soap and shampoo, deodorant if you wear it, and anything else you use to get ready. We call this your toiletry bag. Fancy, right? Let's not forget the fun stuff. You may want to pack a favorite book, a small toy, headphones, a tablet or other electronic if your grown up says yes, or a cozy blanket for the car or plane. And here are a few extras you might need just in case: sunglasses, swimsuit, water bottle, travel pillow, a charger for your stuff, and maybe even a snack or two for the road. Now you're packed and ready to go. Your trip is calling. Check the description box below to grab your very own vacation ready printable checklist. It's colorful, simple, and made just for you. Have the best time ever, friend, and I'll see you next adventure. Bye!